Most people sign up for free trials without really knowing what they are getting into, and that leads to wasted time and confusion instead of clarity. Here's the truth no one tells you. Tradify uses its free trial in 2026 as a way to let trade businesses fully test real workflows, not just a limited demo screen. And that makes it much more useful than most people expect. In this video, you'll see exactly what you get in the Tradify free trial, how it works in real business situations, and whether it is actually enough to decide if the software is right for you. Let's start with what the free trial is designed for. Tradify is a field service management tool built for trade businesses like plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and general contracting. The trial gives you access to core features so you can simulate real job workflows from start to finish. Now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of just showing static features, the trial lets you actually build quotes, schedule jobs, track work, and generate invoices. So, a tradesperson like Jake can test how a real job would move through the system, from first customer request to final payment. But here's the problem. Many users rush through the trial and only click around without using it like a real business tool. That leads to a false impression of what the software can do. The value of the trial only shows up when you actually simulate real jobs, not just explore menus. Let's break down what you typically experience during the trial. You get access to job management tools, which allow you to create and track jobs in a simple workflow. You also get quoting tools, so you can build estimates and send them to customers. Scheduling is included, which helps you assign jobs and manage your calendar. And finally, invoicing tools allow you to turn completed jobs into payments quickly. A business owner like Alex running a small HVAC company can use the trial to test how easily his daily operations can be managed in one system. That is the real purpose of the trial. It is not just to look at features, but to test real efficiency. But there is something important to understand. The free trial is usually time-limited, so you need to focus on testing your actual business flow instead of exploring everything randomly. The more realistic your test, the better your decision will be. So is the Tradify free trial useful in 2026? Yes, if you use it correctly. It gives you a realistic view of how your business would operate inside the system. But if you treat it like a casual demo, you will miss its real value. The key takeaway is simple. Do not just try the software. Try your actual workflow inside it. If this helped you understand the Tradify free trial better, like, comment and subscribe for more software breakdowns like this.